Google's Pixel Watch is getting a brain boost with Gemini AI and Gemini Live integration. Your smartwatch is about to become your ultimate personal assistant. Stick around to see how. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for cutting-edge tech news. If you're hyped for smarter wearables, smash that like button and subscribe to GadInsider for the latest tech updates. Let's dive into the Pixel Watch's AI upgrade. Google just teased a major upgrade for the Pixel Watch at I/O 2025, bringing Gemini AI and Gemini Live to your wrist. As reported, Gemini will be a more capable and conversational assistant, making it easier to navigate life hands-free. Need to set reminders, get directions, or ask about your schedule? Gemini's got you covered with quick, context-aware responses right from your watch. Gemini Live takes it up a notch with natural, back-and-forth conversations, perfect for on-the-go tasks like checking weather or controlling smart home devices. And this isn't just for Pixel watches. Google's rolling Gemini out to Wear OS, Google TV, and Android Auto too. But the Pixel Watch is where it'll shine. Imagine asking your watch for fitness tips or calendar updates while jogging, all without touching your phone. Plus, it's built to integrate seamlessly with Google Apps for a smoother experience. While Google hasn't shared a release date, this Gemini integration is expected to hit Pixel watches later in 2025 or early 2026. The Pixel Watch with Gemini AI is about to make your wrist smarter than ever. What will you ask your AI assistant first? Drop it in the comments. Like, subscribe, and hit that bell to stay in the loop with GadInsider for more tech news.